everyone, my name is Ana Cerda Magaña, and today I will be teaching you about virtual calendars, but more specifically, I will be teaching you about my favorite one, which is Google Calendar. So hopefully by the end of this presentation, I'm able to teach you what Google Calendar is and how you can access it, and how this resource is also helpful in college as a student, and different ways you can use Google Calendar. So to start off, Google Calendar can be found online as well as using the app on your phone or tablet. It is convenient since you can use it anywhere and at any time. With Google Calendar, you're able to create and edit events. You can also share these events with multiple people if you would like. To make it neater and easier to read, you can color coordinate your events. You can add attachments to these events as well. For example, say you have a meeting, and with that meeting, you're going over a PowerPoint. You're able to schedule that meeting, add your coworkers, and also be able to attach the PowerPoint to the calendar. That way it's easier for everyone to access. With the app, you're also able to add reminders, and they would be sent through notifications. Not to mention that if you want to start any personal goals, for example, like reading more or spending more family time, you're also able to schedule that as well. You would just click on goals and it will ask you what type of goal you're trying to achieve. It will ask you how often you would like it to occur per week, how long, best time of day, and it will schedule you on a day where your schedule has an open spot. You can edit this goal at any time. Google Calendar is perfect to use in college, although if you are a student who gets easily distracted through technology, a virtual calendar might not be the best option for you. However, there are many benefits through this calendar. The main reason is that it helps with organization. College students tend to be very busy, especially if you have other expectations for yourselves. Like, for example, taking care of your family, having a job or a hobby, and any other activities that you do outside of school. For this reason, you can plan ahead by adding events into the calendar as a reminder, and you're able to color coordinate. I color coordinate my work differently than I color coordinate my classes that I take through HACC. This way, I can easily see which days I can decide to study and which days I have to go to work. If you commute to work or school like myself, you may not always have Wi-Fi available. For this reason, through the app, you can add events anywhere and anytime with or without Wi-Fi. This calendar is also very flexible, and you're able to edit events if you've had a change of plans or you want to add more events through your day. It also comes in handy as a college student since we tend to take notes and look through PowerPoints or presentations. If you want to schedule a study session for yourself through the app, you're able to add the notes to the specific task or event, and also be able to attach any other PowerPoint or presentation that your professor has included for you. This app will be perfect for anyone that would like to work on their time management as well as their goal settings, since these are topics that we've already covered in class and we have the resources to explore. So this is how the app looks on my phone, and this is the calendar on the top left. You can choose how you want to view your calendar. I personally like the whole month view. At the bottom right, you can choose to make events. I work for Keystone Urgent Care, so I type KUC, and let's say I work Monday, May 11th from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I like to set my work block in a flamingo color, so I changed that as well. And say maybe I want to study on my lunch break. I am able to click on attachments, and my Google account is all connected, so I'm able to attach my Google Docs notes, and I make myself a note to study. Don't forget to study. Finally, I click save once I'm done, and it's there for me. Say I also want to create a goal. I want to build a skill like make art more, especially clay molds. And I want it once a week 30 minutes at any time of day. It'll then find me a time for me to do that. I click OK. And suddenly it found my time for me to actually make art. I would like to thank all of you for listening, and I hope that you're able to give this resource a go, since it has become life-changing for me and I'm able to save so much time by managing my time better. And here are some resources that I was able to use to help me research more about Google Calendar.